Hello and welcome to another Stay Tuned video. Today we have something exceptionally exciting for all you NP300 Navara owners. What we have in this fantastic Unichip box, funnily enough, is a Unichip. But the best bit of it is this. This is the brand new Plug and Play Unichip for the NP300, and we're going to install one.
Alrighty, so here we have the ECU out of the NP300. So basically with this plug and play loom here, utilises factory connectors effectively. So basically it's, you unplug these, you plug them into your ECU, and then your factory wiring harness plugs into the other side. So there's no modification to the factory loom. Previously these vehicles were a wire-in, but now it's a plug and play, so it's nice and easy.
Ladies, gentlemen, and NP300 Navara owners around the world, behold the first Unichip plug and play kit for the NP300 Navara. 161.4 rear wheel kilowatts in performance mode, 133 kilowatts in towing, 123 in economy, up from 118 kilowatts factory. I'd like to point out, of most of the dual cab utes, this thing makes pretty much the most power of any of them, both tuned and standard. This thing rivals a 79 series dual cab. So if the fact that the Unichip for an NP300 used to be a wire-in put you off, you have absolutely no excuse anymore. Ring Stay Tuned, ring Unichip Australia, and order your NP300 Unichip.